This morning started with a light frost, and I knew that the weather was going to turn this evening, so today was most likely going to be my last day of being able to journal outside. I've just found this snail, I think it's called a brown-lipped snail, that I nature journaled in my perpetual journal last month, and it's still in the exact same position. Apparently some of these snails can sleep for 3 years. I've just found a little bit of flowering yarrow here, and I've noticed as well that the gorse bush is starting to bloom a lot more vigorously now. It's going to be a pop of colour in the wintertime. Big flowering holly. This little pied wagtail landed on the pavement in front of me, and I thought I'd draw it, but drawing moving birds is very hard. But that was my nature journaling session for today. See you tomorrow.